Hey, if you're having a problem where your Keurig seems to act completely normal, but when you press the button, it makes a gyrating sound in there, and then sounds like it's just going to go ahead and start spit your coffee out, and then it just never does. It's completely dry. This video will fix that problem for you. Nothing comes out. There's a lot of fixes out there where people are looking inside this tank and trying to fix that valve down there, saying that valve's plugged up, so they're using turkey basters and they're putting compressed air, whatever, trying to clean that valve. Well, I tried all that, and that wasn't the fix for my problem. Problem for me is up in here, in the top of the unit. It's very easy to open the unit up. Make sure you got it unplugged. Take the water off. Put that somewhere. Put your cup somewhere. And what you're going to want to do is open up the front, and then looking underneath, you're going to see two screws. There's one there, and there's one there. Now I already took mine out. So these are right underneath the lettering. It's just two screws right there and right there. Be very careful because they're small and you don't want to drop them down somewhere in here. But turn your Keurig machine pretty much on its back. Take those two screws out. They're tiny, but they're not too bad to be able to hold on to them. And don't lose them. That's all you got to do is take those two screws out. You're going to take this plastic cover off. Now, it feels like it'll come out, but it won't unless you guide it from the back. In the back here, there's two fingers that are grabbing. They're grabbing onto a piece of plastic in there. So what you can do is just push it back a little bit as you lift the rear end of it, and you'll get over that little thing it's grabbing on, and then the whole thing will slide out the front like this. These are the two tabs that are grabbing the back of the machine like this. So push it back and up a little bit, and you'll get away from this getting snagged, and then you'll be able to drag the whole thing through, okay, just like I did. So I'm going to put it back in there and do it one more time, because this is a pain figuring how that thing is hooked on. So I'm in there like normal. Open it up. I'm going to grab the back like this. I'm going to just pull it back a little bit and up a little bit. Now I'm all over that little hook thing, and I'm taking it out. Now I got this piece out, which is key. The problem I found with mine is here's where your hot water tank is, and the pump starts pushing water through here that should go out through the K-cup, but there's a check valve here. I think it's so that it doesn't suck water back into the machine or something. Not really sure what it's doing, but this thing is very rubbery, malleable. All I did was I squeezed this, and I started wiggling on it. There's like an O-ring here, and there's another O-ring in there. So there's some seals that you don't want to wreck it. But all I did was squeeze it like this, wiggle it around, and then I ran through the cycle again, and lo and behold, boom, water just flowed right through. So this check valve must get some calcium or some other mess in there that it can't clear, and then it gets stuck. And then the pump senses the pressure, and then it stops pumping. So it grinds for a couple seconds, builds up the pressure, and then it shuts down. So that's all I had to do. I didn't take any of this off. All I did was work this a little bit and then run it again. So I don't know if this is something that's going to repeat again and again, but it did it this time, and hopefully that'll last. So that is a definite fix. All this stuff about fixing the water tank and everything else, it didn't work for me. So it seemed to be a little more to it than just being a plugged up inlet valve there. So then putting it back together, same thing. Just open it up, kind of slide this piece back in there, close it, and it'll already be in the right spot. So I'll do a quick trial run here, verify that I'm not crazy. Plug it in. Got the heat light. It's doing its thing. Starting to boil. Heat's looking good. I got my blinking lights. I'm gonna pick a cup. And out it comes. Hey, please give the video a thumbs up if this helped you out. That way other people will be able to find the solution and fix their machine as well. Hey, have a great day.